Hey guys, what's up? If you've seen previous video, we installed the facelift headliner, which turned out great. And in this episode, we're gonna install the facelift seats. The seats finally came back from the upholstery shop and they look amazing. So yeah, in this episode, we're going to install them. I already installed the back seat and put the driver's seat in place. So now we're gonna bolt that down and connect it and put the bench and the passenger seat in place. So let's go. the seats are installed and they're looking absolutely fantastic. The upholstery shop did an amazing job with the upholstery. They look very factory, the stitching and the leather looks very OEM, so I'm super happy with the results. Also, they are sitting a lot more comfortable than the previous seats. They're not as comfortable as the 159 Ti seats, because those are, for me, the most comfortable seats that I've ever sit in, and the best supportive seats. But these come a lot closer than the previous seats. So they're just a lot more comfortable, and also you're sitting a lot more snug. They have a lot more side support, and that just adds to the sportiness. It elevates the car a little bit to a more sporty side, which I really like. And I just really like the look of these seats. In my opinion, they are a lot more timeless, and a lot more beautiful than the previous seats. I felt like they were a little bit outdated, and these just elevate the car to more timeless design. So I'm really happy with the look now. The interior is not completely ready yet, because I do want to do one final upgrade, and that is to replace the beige carpets with black carpets. So then you have black headliner, black carpets, and the center section is beige, and I think that will look very unique, and adds a little bit to the sportiness as well. So that is one thing that we will change in this year. But for now I'm already loving these seats. So the final thing that I will upgrade is in the interior is the dark carpets. But I do need to get dark carpet for that. So that is coming somewhere this year. But I do have a cool upgrade coming soon, and that is that I found a Wizard straight through rear section exhaust. So now the car is quite quiet because I have the stock mufflers at the back. So we're going to change that and upgrade the exhaust with the Wizard exhaust. The Wizard exhaust have no muffler at all, so they are straight through, less restrictive, but that means also super loud. So I do need to check if they pass MOT, but I think it will be a very cool upgrade. So but that is for a next video. So I hope you like this video. I hope you like the facelift seats as well as I do, and I hope to see you another video. Bye.